Well, with just 36,000 miles and a clean Carfax, this 2008 Chevrolet Corvette could be the one for you. This is a Z06 2LZ hardtop. Beautiful car inside and out. So take a good look here at the video, but also click the link right down below this video and it'll take you to the pricing and also more detailed photos. This is beautiful machine silver on the exterior, ebony on the interior, and under the hood, 505 horsepower LS7 engine. This car has a 6-speed manual transmission. It's going to be fun to drive, and you're going to turn heads in this classic Corvette. Factory features include the $3,045 2LZ preferred equipment group. This includes the memory package, tilt and telly, dual heated sports seats with airbags and powered driver's side. Universal garage door transmitter. This car has heads-up display. It has a beautiful Bose CD XM MP3 stereo with navigation and steering wheel controls. Beautiful chrome wheels on this vehicle. Has OnStar, dual mode exhaust, dry sump oil system, HID headlights, dual zone electronic climate control, fog lamps, keyless enter and start. Everything on this car is power, and it comes with cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. As we said, it comes with a clean Carfax, and it's loaded with options, and this 2008 Corvette Z06 shows just 36,049 miles. It is in nice condition. The car's paint is in good condition with a stunning shine, and factory chrome wheels are in very good to excellent condition as well. The interior, well, as you can see, the interior of this Corvette Z06 shows very good to excellent factory leather seats, steering wheel, center console, and good to very good door panels as well. Now, additions to this car include a short throw shifter, window tint, blacked out taillights, and side marker lights, plastic diamonds on top of the door exit buttons, and volume knob, simulated carbon fiber trim for the exterior A-pillars, and blacked out center cap logos. This is a beautiful car. It could be yours today. Remember, buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia, we specialize in online sales. We make it something you can do with great ease, but most importantly, with confidence. Remember, we ship nationwide every week, much less expensive than you might imagine. So give us a call today at 770-414-5552. Remember, we're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience.